Why is it that men are so difficult to shop for? I mean, you guys, every year I struggle trying to find gifts that they'll actually use, gifts that they'll actually enjoy. I am hoping that this new subscription box is going to be the solution to my problem. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we are going to be opening up a new box that I've never opened up before, you guys. So I'm really excited, partially because it is new. But this box is designed for men, and what I like about this is that it's also an excellent gift option. So the idea with this box is that this is supposed to make gifting easier for men, because we all know how hard it is to shop for them. I mean, just the other day, you guys, I kid you not, I just asked my dad if there was anything he wanted to splurge on, anything fun that wasn't, practical or like need this to fix the house or anything like that. What would you spend money on? And you know what he told me? A wallet. Do you know how many wallets I have given? Like, I can't give any more wallets. So today we are going to be unboxing the Espy Box. This is a quarterly subscription box and it is huge, you guys. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera here, but this box, I mean, it almost takes up my entire camera. It's just ginormous. So this is a quarterly subscription. It is designed for men, and inside we are supposed to see a lot of different products that men really enjoy, that want to have, but maybe they just won't splurge on themselves. So this is supposed to be a great gifting option, whether you want to gift them the entire box or if you wanted to gift out multiple items from this box to different people, this is supposed to be a great solution. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription box, either as a gift option or as a reoccurring purchase, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. I also have an exclusive discount code as well, so you can save some money off of your first purchase. So when you first visit their website, you are able to take a customization quiz. That quiz is absolutely free, and it will help Espy to pick items that you're going to like in your box. So you're able to go through and choose things and say, I like this, or I don't like these products, and that way they will help to customize a box that you enjoy. Now, the other thing that is great about this is that you are able to customize your actual box before it ships. So you can choose some of the items in there. If you would rather be surprised, Espy will gladly choose items for you. That way you don't have to customize it. I did customize this box with my husband in mind. I chose items that I thought he would like. These are going to be future gift options as well. So he's not going to know about this just yet, but I know he's going to like these items. So I did pick out things that he's going to enjoy. But that's the great thing with this box, is that you can choose to be surprised or you can customize it. So when we open up our box, oh, it's fancy. First off, it is just so big, you guys. So it says, say hello to your new favorites. And then down below, we actually have a couple of cards from Dan. Dan is the founder and owner of this company. And it says that this box was founded to give men a curated surprise of premium lifestyle products that are tailored to your unique preferences. Each season, discover niche products that may become your new favorites. Oh my goodness. This presentation? I mean, I didn't even select that this was a gift, and it looks like it's already been gift wrapped and like put together so well. I mean, this is, wow. I have never had a box like this that is this fancy, you guys. I am just blown away. I mean, you get all the tissue paper you're gonna need for your gift. And then down below, I mean, it looks manly even, you guys. So the first item in the box is a detox bar. This is a deep cleansing and moisturizing soap bar, and it's scented as sweet tobacco. This is by a company called 1821. It is all made here in the US, and this is a small business where they will create all sorts of different soap bars. This specifically is going to be their deep cleansing moisturizing bar. So it's really a great scent, I will tell you. I can already smell it coming out of the packaging here. Because it is a detoxifying bar, it does have charcoal infused into this, so it's actually going to help to draw out impurities. and it smells really good. So it's a sweet tobacco scent. Honestly, if you've ever smelled anything else that has sweet tobacco, it smells exactly like that. It's a manlier scent. It's got that sweetness to it, but it still smells a little smoky in there at the same time. I think this one is a good size. It's going to last him a really long time as well. And again, this is definitely something that I would gift, and he's going to smell amazing. The next item that I have in here is a really fun item, you guys. And I love that this is something you can choose for your Espy box. So this is going to be a leather crafted holder here. And then inside, we're actually going to have a full knife. Now they have lots of different options available on the website, different styles, different things like that. This is one that I just was like, I think my husband is really going to enjoy. So this leather case is awesome to begin with, but then look at this knife that we have here, you guys. Isn't it awesome? So they have all of these different styles. And again, the whole goal with this box is to give you items that men are going to enjoy, that they actually want, and that they're going to receive as gifts. So I like the idea of this just because this is something that I don't think my husband would just buy on his own, you guys, honestly. This is something that if I give to him as a gift, he's gonna love it, but he won't splurge or treat himself with this one. And I think it's super cool. I love the way this looks. This is going to be so perfect, you guys. Now, I'm going to give you another close-up here on this leather case because I feel like I went over this really quickly. But the craftsmanship on this is amazing. I love all of the stitching that they have around this as well. And it is genuine leather once again. So it's a really amazing piece. I mean, look at the stamping on here. It's just... it looks really cool, you guys. So I love this. But if your guy is not into knives or anything like that, they have so many different options that you do not have to go with the choices that I went with by any means. But I just like that you have, you know, it's an option to include it in your box if you want it or not. So the next item that I have in here is a deodorant. This is an aluminum-free deodorant. It's scented as Fresh Ocean Splash. It is a full-size product here. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. There are no parabens or alcohol in this either. So this deodorant will just be a stick form again, and you will just rub this on like your traditional deodorant. The scent, oh, it is ocean. How do they get that scent? It smells so clean and so fresh, but it's bright. It smells really good. It smells like the ocean, but it doesn't smell salty. Also included in my box is a water bottle, but this is not your average water bottle, you guys. Because believe me, I know water bottles can be boring to give as gifts. This is not going to be a boring gift by any means. So it is a self-cleaning water bottle. And first of all, we all need to stay hydrated all day long, which is perfect. But then to have one that self-cleans, like that's even better. So this will be a stainless steel water bottle, and you'll notice that it's going to be this all black trim on here. So it's just a matte black finish. It will hold 17 ounces of water, and it mentions that it will stay cold for 12 hours and hot drinks in here can stay in here for up to 6 hours. Inside is where the magic happens. So this is going to be your traditional stainless steel water bottle, but the lid will actually have a light that you will be able to activate, and it will kill off 99% of any bacteria and germs. So it's a UVC LED light that's built into this. Because it is LED, it's going to last a really long time. You'll just turn it on as needed, and then you'll turn it off afterwards. You will occasionally need to charge this up, which the charger is inside of this water bottle, so they do send it with it, and so that's included. It doesn't need to be charged very often though. These will typically last you quite a while, but then whenever you want to have a clean water bottle, like I said, you're just going to activate the light itself, turn that on, and it's going to get rid of most of the E. coli and bacteria that could be in your water bottle. We also have a clothing item inside of the box today. So this is going to be from a brand called Romeo, and it is a navy blue t-shirt, which navy happens to be my husband's favorite color, so this is perfect. Now this t-shirt t-shirt is short sleeve. It does have a rounded scoop neck up here at the top, and then it's just going to be your traditional t-shirt. There's no wording or anything on this, so it's kind of nice because he can wear this. You could wear this casually, but you can also put it underneath of like an undershirt, dress it up, and then you could put like a jacket over top. So he's got options with these solid t-shirts. But what's great about this one is that it is moisture wicking and it is extremely soft. We also have another clothing item from Romeo. And when you guys first sign up for this box online, you are able to enter in all of the sizing information as well. So that is 100% customizable. This one is a navy blue color, but it's going to be a long sleeve and it's actually going to have a zipper here on the front. So a lot of times my husband will wear like dress pants or khakis he'll need to wear, and this is something that he can throw over top, make it a little bit dressier but still stay warm. I feel like this is perfect for fall weather. So when you're kind of in that in-between stage where it's a little bit cool, a little bit breezy, but it's not frigid cold, this is going to be perfect to wear. So I don't think this is going to be thick enough to wear, you know, in the middle of winter when it's -20 outside. This is perfect for right now when it's 40, 50 degrees out, keep you a little bit warm, and you could definitely layer with this as well. So like I said, it does have that zipper here on the front. I think this is a really pretty color of blue, and there's no wording on this again, so it will work for his business so he can keep that nice and clean. I think this is really nice, you guys. I love it. The next item that I have in here is a lip balm. This is from the Portland Bee Balm Company, and they actually use all organic beeswax in here. So they have their own bee farm, and then they will make their lip balms then, which is awesome. I love that. The scent is just mint on here, but it is all cruelty free as well. And it says everything is going to be organic. It looks like it's beeswax. There's coconut oil in here, olive oil as well, and some essential oils. So that's awesome. The next product is a moisturizer in here. This is an everyday anti-aging facial moisturizer, but it also has SPF inside of this, so it will help to protect your skin from those rays. This can be used year-round as well. I like the variety in this box, which this is the larger box. So when you go online and look at their options, they have 2 boxes available. There's a gold box and a diamond box. And the only real difference between the two is that the diamond box, you will receive some more items inside of it. And that's what I have here today is the diamond box. So there are a few extra items in here compared to their gold box. But still, I like the variety of products that I'm seeing, like a lot of different options. Now, the next item that I have in here is a collab that they did with Lucky Scent. This is a Discovery Cologne box. So inside of this box, we actually have 3 of their fragrances. And that way you can try these out and see what you think. And then you can always resupply if you'd like to. They don't actually list what the fragrance notes are on these, but they are going to be strong colognes. This one actually says extreme on it. So they are a little bit more muskier scents that I'm noticing with all of them, but they do have a very strong alcohol note to them as well. So that is everything inside of my Espy box. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But I just have to tell you, for someone like myself that struggles with finding gifts for either my brother or my dad or my husband, it's always a challenge. Knowing that I can just give them a gift box that either they can customize or I can customize for them, I love that option, you guys. It just makes it so much easier. I mean, think about all the time you save of not having to research gifts, of not having to order from this place and order from that one and then get them in and get them boxed up. It's already put together in a box. I can just wrap the box. It's all good to go. Or, like I said, if you wanted to just get one box and then divvy up all of these options, because here's the thing, you guys, you could buy the box and customize it with different people in mind, and then you could just, you know, part out these as different gifts. I mean, there's a lot of options here, but they're good quality items. I can attest to that. I can verify to you that this is good items. It's worth the money spent on here, and I think it's gonna save me a lot of time in the long run. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!